How did I become the hashtag forensics weirdo? I realized I have a bunch of new followers, more than 6,000 followers now on LinkedIn, 1,500 on TikTok, 300 on Instagram, and 300 more on Twitter. It's not as many as some, but that's a lot for me. That's over 8,000 people I can reach with one piece of content. And I haven't introduced myself in a while. I'm in a field called digital forensics. I'm like a detective in the digital realm. I follow a process to gather device and cloud-based evidence for the court system. These matters mostly involve civil lawsuits between corporations or individuals versus corporations. I say mostly because these civil disputes can sometimes reveal criminal behavior. There are white-collar crimes where federal prosecutors get involved. They can't do anything with the raw technical data that I've collected, so we have to follow a process called Ediscovery. The law firms and attorneys working both sides of a case have an equal right to the other side's relevant evidence, as long as it isn't protected by attorney-client privilege. And that's Ediscovery in a nutshell. There is an entire cottage industry of us that use legal technology to convert the technical data that I've collected into something that can be easily reviewed by humans, by lawyers in particular. Sometimes the lawyers, prosecutors, and regulators still don't understand the evidence, or they need help understanding what the evidence is suggesting. I have to frequently put on a suit and answer questions about what that evidence is in plain language. They'll ask, "Is this what I think it is?" And I'll say, "Nope." They'll say, "Why?" And I'll explain why. And sometimes I'll say yes, and we'll be on our merry way. The biggest challenge is that there's a lot of data out there. And whether it's from platforms or apps like Slack or Notion or Confluence, Jira, Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, the Ethereum blockchain, MetaMask, Discord, iPhone, Android, Windows, macOS, Telegram, Signal, iMessage, WeChat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, TikTok, ChatGPT. It doesn't matter. Even if it's from a deepfake generator or the metaverse, I have to figure out how to acquire it. And the e-discovery folks have to figure out a way to convert it. So, in summary, 1, the evidence needs to be converted so that it's human understandable. And 2, it can be shared to both sides of a dispute, a criminal action, or regulatory inquiry. If you're part of the industry already and want the latest solutions to acquiring and converting trending evidence sources, or you're an AI or metaverse enthusiast or investor who wants to keep up on the dark side of tech, or you find the work I do exciting and want to break into the industry, click the link in my bio or the link I put in the comments below to sign up for my newsletter. I and the great folks at my company I work for have a ton of experience to lend. Our expertise makes us the best at what we do. And if you found this post helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and follow. Welcome to the Forensics Weirdo family.